is the HomeGoods section of TJMaxx. Yes, so if you ever want, this is gardens and florals. Yes, so you can get your garden stuff here. The florals, yes, nice stuff. Nice stuff. Garden and floral, and you have a bedroom, bathroom, holders, space saver. Yes, nice little plants. Yeah, $12. That's fine. $12. Yes, these little plants. I need a few of these, but I'm just gonna wait. Nice stuff. Yeah. You can get cards also. Cards. Yes. You should get a card. What's these cards are saying? Birthday only? Oh, I need a card. Not birthday. Need a thank you card. Ooh, nice plates. That's okay. That's what I'm trying to avoid. Okay. Nice plates. Ooh, look at these. Ooh. Nice colorful plates. And if you're into these things, nice bunny rabbits, figurines. I'm fascinated. Look at this chair. Ooh. Beautiful plates. Wow. Beautiful, so beautiful.
Nice because I could give you like some of the steak.
So beautiful, so beautiful.
Because
yeah. Cutting board. Nice stuff. Nice baking tins. If you ever need to bake. To do some muffins. Nice accents. Let's get my card before it's gone. Nice card. So if you are like me and you're starting over, you have nice pots and pans here. I need a non-stick thing, but I'm not gonna join this line again. The non-stick, they are expensive. Not going to join that line again. But just checking out this nice arrangement too. Sugar. Yeah. They also supply you with chips if you want anyway. Chips tincture with your jelly and jam. If you ever need any of those. I don't know about that frying pan. I've seen it before, but yep. Let's go. Beautiful car for spring. It's so beautiful. Whoa. So beautiful. I like yellow. And these are all beautiful yellow cars. Let me see if I can get it. Yeah. Picture, yeah. Yep.
Not eating it. For your luck.
Wicker chair if you're into wicker. You can get all for your tea, supply, coffee, caramel latte. Yeah. You can get this stuff here. Gift basket.